We live in a world increasingly reliant on technology and getting more so every day, a world of sleek gadgets and complex systems that often feel beyond the reach of our understanding, let alone our ability to fix. From the smartphones in our pockets to the smart home devices that control our living spaces, technology is deeply embedded in our daily lives. These devices, while making life more convenient, also come with their own set of challenges. When they malfunction, it often feels like we need a degree in engineering just to diagnose the problem. Cars especially have evolved into rolling computer networks, intimidating many owners with their intricate electronics and seemingly impenetrable engineering. The days of simple mechanical repairs are long gone, replaced by complex systems that require specialized knowledge and tools. For many, the thought of opening the hood of their car is daunting, filled with a maze of wires, sensors, and computer modules. This complexity has led to a reliance on professional mechanics and dealerships for even the most basic repairs. Yet, amidst this tech-dominated landscape, a counterculture is brewing. People are beginning to push back against the notion that technology is too complex for the average person to understand. This movement is not just about saving money on repairs, but about reclaiming a sense of agency and empowerment. It's about the joy of learning how things work and the satisfaction of solving problems with your own hands. A resurgence of DIY, do-it-yourself ethos is taking root, fueled by a desire for self-reliance, a thirst for understanding, and a good old-fashioned sense of satisfaction that comes from fixing things yourself. This DIY spirit is not limited to any one demographic. It spans across generations and cultures. Whether it's a teenager learning to change their car's oil or a retiree restoring a classic car, the DIY movement is bringing people together in a shared pursuit of knowledge and skill. This isn't your grandpa's greasy wrench turning, though. Today's DIY enthusiasts are equipped with advanced tools and technology that make repairs more accessible than ever before. Digital diagnostic tools, 3D printed parts, and online resources have revolutionized the way we approach car maintenance and repair. These modern tools not only make the process easier, but also open up new possibilities for innovation and creativity. Today's DIY movement is powered by online communities, YouTube tutorials, and readily available parts from global marketplaces. The internet has become a treasure trove of information, with countless videos and forums dedicated to every conceivable repair. No longer do you need to rely solely on a mechanic's expertise. You can learn from a global community of enthusiasts who share their knowledge and experiences. This collective wisdom has democratized the repair process, making it accessible to anyone with a willingness to learn. It's a movement that transcends age, gender, and background, uniting individuals from all walks of life with a shared passion for tinkering, problem-solving, and proving that even in our increasingly complex world, a little ingenuity and can-do attitude can go a long way. From urban garages to rural workshops, people are coming together to share tools, tips, and techniques. This sense of community and collaboration is at the heart of the DIY ethos, fostering a culture of mutual support and continuous learning. From simple car maintenance to complex electronics repairs, more and more people are discovering the empowerment and satisfaction that comes from rolling up their sleeves and saying, "I can fix that." This hands-on approach not only saves money, but also builds confidence and resilience. In a world where we are often told that we need experts to solve our problems, the DIY movement is a powerful reminder that with the right resources and a bit of determination, we are capable of much more than we might think. Enter the Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that's as futuristic in its design as it is in its technology. With its sharp, angular lines and stainless steel exoskeleton, the Cybertruck looks like it drove straight out of a sci-fi movie. This all-electric beast has taken the automotive world by storm, captivating enthusiasts with its angular aesthetics and blistering performance. Its ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds has left many in awe. But even the most advanced machines are not immune to the occasional hiccup, as one Cybertruck owner recently discovered. Despite its cutting-edge technology, the Cybertruck can still face unexpected issues. This owner, let's call him Alex, found himself facing an unexpected issue. Alex had always been a fan of Tesla's innovation and had eagerly awaited the arrival of his Cybertruck. A peculiar noise was emanating from the undercarriage, a kind of rhythmic clunking that seemed to coincide with the Cybertruck's regenerative braking system. This noise was not only annoying but also concerning. Concerned, Alex did what any conscientious owner would do. He took his Cybertruck to the Tesla service center. He hoped the experts would quickly diagnose and fix the issue. However, after a thorough inspection, the technicians were unable to pinpoint the source of the problem. They ran multiple diagnostics and tests, but the noise remained a mystery. The mystery noise persisted, as did the frustration. Alex was left without answers, and a growing sense of unease about his prized vehicle. Determined to get to the bottom of the issue, Alex decided to take matters into his own hands. He wasn't ready to give up on his Cybertruck just yet. Armed with his trusty toolkit, a healthy dose of skepticism, and a willingness to get his hands dirty, and the vast knowledge base of the internet, Alex began his own investigation. He scoured forums, watched countless YouTube videos, and read through technical manuals. He embarked on a mission to solve the Cybertruck conundrum. Hours turned into days as he meticulously checked each component. Little did he know this journey would lead him to an unlikely hero, a $13 part from Amazon. This small, seemingly insignificant component turned out to be the key to solving the problem. With the new part in hand, Alex carefully installed it, hoping it would finally put an end to the mysterious noise. To his relief and satisfaction, the clunking noise disappeared. The Cybertruck was back to its smooth, silent operation. Alex's determination and resourcefulness had paid off. He had not only fixed his beloved Cybertruck, but also gained a deeper appreciation for the intricacies of its design. Sometimes even the most advanced technology can be humbled by the simplest solutions. And in this case, a small part from Amazon was all it took to restore the Cybertruck to its former glory. This story serves as a reminder that perseverance and a bit of DIY spirit can go a long way, even in the world of high-tech electric vehicles. The internet, that digital treasure trove of information and sometimes misinformation, became Alex's virtual workshop. He scoured online forums, devouring threads dedicated to the Cybertruck, his eyes scanning for any mention of similar issues. Hours melted away as he navigated the digital labyrinth, each click fueled by a mix of hope and determination. Finally, he stumbled upon a post, buried deep within a forum thread, describing a similar clunking noise attributed to a loose heat shield. Could it be that simple? A loose heat shield on a vehicle as technologically advanced as the Cybertruck seemed almost too mundane a culprit. But the more Alex read, the more the pieces started to fit together. The location of the noise, the timing, the circumstances, it all pointed towards a heat shield issue, and the recommended fix? A simple hose clamp, available on Amazon for a whopping $13. With nothing to lose and potentially a silent ride to gain, Alex confidently clicked Add to Cart. The package arrived with that familiar brown smile, and Alex, armed with his new hose clamp and a sense of cautious optimism, headed to his garage. The anticipation was palpable. He had been waiting for this moment ever since the clunking noise had started disrupting his otherwise smooth rides. The Cybertruck, a gleaming testament to futuristic design, seemed to stand a little taller, as if sensing the imminent tinkering session. Its sleek lines and robust build were a stark contrast to the humble tools Alex had laid out on his workbench. Alex, with the confidence of a seasoned mechanic, or at least a determined one, jacked up the Cybertruck, the hum of the electric motor replaced by the satisfying squeak of metal on metal. He had spent countless hours watching tutorial videos and reading forums, preparing for this very moment. He located the suspect heat shield, and sure enough, it was loose, rattling around like a tambourine in a windstorm. The noise had been a constant source of irritation, a reminder that even the most advanced technology could have its quirks. With a few deft maneuvers, he secured the heat shield with the hose clamp, the metal teeth biting down on the problem. It was a simple solution, yet it required precision and a steady hand. Alex felt a surge of satisfaction as he tightened the clamp, knowing that he was one step closer to solving the issue. A quick test drive, and silence. The absence of the clunky noise was almost surreal. Alex had grown so accustomed to it that the newfound quiet felt like a luxury. The annoying clunking noise had vanished, replaced by the satisfying hum of the Cybertruck's electric motor. The smooth, silent drive was a testament to his successful repair. The feeling of triumph was intoxicating. Alex felt a rush of adrenaline, a sense of accomplishment that was hard to describe. It wasn't just about fixing the car, it was about overcoming a challenge and proving to himself that he could do it. Alex had not only solved the problem that had stumped Tesla's technicians, he had done it with a $13 part and a healthy dose of DIY spirit. It was a victory that went beyond the mechanical. It was a testament to his resourcefulness and determination. It was a victory not just over a mechanical issue, but over the perception that modern vehicles are too complex for mere mortals to understand, let alone repair. Alex had proven that with the right tools, knowledge, and a bit of perseverance, even the most advanced technology could be tamed. As he admired his handiwork, Alex couldn't help but feel a sense of pride, a feeling that transcended the simple act of fixing a car. It was a moment of personal triumph, a reminder that sometimes the most rewarding experiences come from tackling challenges head-on. It was the satisfaction of self-reliance, the thrill of problem-solving, and the reaffirmation that sometimes the simplest solutions come next. Alex knew that this experience was a mistake, a reminder of what he was capable of achieving with a bit of ingenuity and determination. He couldn't wait to share his story with friends and fellow enthusiasts. The tale of how he was an ordinary guy and taken on a challenge that even the experts had struggled with, and emerged victorious. It was a story of perseverance, grit, and the power of the human spirit. Alex went to online forums, sharing his experiences with hoping to inspire others with complex sensations. Responses were overwhelmingly positive, with many expressing admiration for his determination and skill. The messages of congratulations and support could not have added to his sense of accomplishment. It was remarkable that sometimes the most valuable rewards are not in the act itself, but in the connection to the shared experience. As Alex looked at his Cybertruck, now smooth and self-driving, he felt a deep sense of satisfaction. It was more than just a vehicle, it was a symbol of his ability to overcome obstacles and achieve his goals. In his apprehension, any challenge was a win, no problem too complex, for someone with the right mindset. In the final minutes of his commute, Alex closed the garage door, feeling